Hello, I will show you now the features of the Alembic holders. First, I will show you how we did this spot where there is a lot of uh, elements in the scene that we have to set with the director next to us. So it was very important to have a feedback of all the elements in the Maya viewport. Obviously, due to the high geometry in that scene, loading the object in Maya was impossible. So we first tried to load proxy in the scene, but it was still very slow when refreshing the scene. So I did some optimization on the Alembic holder, and you will see. So here is a Maya scene, and as you can see, there is a lot of folder. Also notice that I'm viewing this screen through TeamViewer, so it may be slow because of the internet, but you will see the FPS here, the real FPS on the real computer. So you can see a lot of caches. I don't know exactly how many, but well, probably several hundred, and displayed in bounding boxes. So already you can see that I can spin around 20 FPS, no biggie. And here is all the scene. As you can see, it's very fast and interactive. Again, I'm using TeamViewer, so it may have some compression artifact and lags, but well, it's really steady in the monitor. So this is bounding boxes. Also, I will show you that you can filter the Alembic holder through the outliner and change selection priorities to quite easily. So each bounding box is a separate cache. So we are able to uh, decrease the height of a tower, of add some gear just by duplicating cache and move it, moving it around. So now I will show you in wireframe, and as you can see, the switch is very fast. It's because the cache were already loaded, just not displayed. And as you can see, it's still quite interactive. I can still see the whole city. Um, oh yes, there is a little bug I have to fix, obviously, uh, soonish. When you switch the mode, everything that is outside the view is not draw, but it's for optimization purpose, and I went too far with it. As you can see, I can still move. It's around 2.5 FPS, not a lot, but well, try to load that many geometry in Maya just to see how many FPS you have if you succeed loading the scene at all. Um, and of course, in shaded mode, you can see that uh, you have every details. It's a high geometry, no proxies, and you can really be interactive when editing the scene. Uh, oh, sorry. Oh, you can move stuff around, and of course, switch some area in wooden boxes, so it's faster to display. But well, you can really display heavy scene with the cache, and as you can see, everything that is not on screen is not computed, so it's really fast when you are concentrating on some area. You through TeamViewer, it's not easy. So I'm around 20 FPS here, and then I can just switch back to the whole city. Another feature is for pre-blasting. It can be quite slow because Maya it's slow when displaying stuff on screen, but as we only load the geometry in memory and display it, you can also use the hardware render, and you can see it's blazing fast. So you can send hardware render on farm or doing offline rendering without displaying really the geometry, and you can have almost real-time sequence for previs. So obviously, if it was animated character, you could see that by moving around the timeline. And I will show you in the next video how you can manipulate animated caches.